Ontaki Accessories Review. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here on Ontaki. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts or special promos if you're going to buy products right here from Ontaki. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to their website over here, here are some of the reviews. So we have one right here from an Amazon customer. An excellent pair of scissors. I have used these for a month now. I'm left-handed and I find these scissors very comfortable with a good weight. Aesthetically, they look great and the case feels good and is not wafer thin. I travel a lot and appreciate the thicker case. I have found that these are sharp and do not pull at all when cutting. I have done right here from Kelly. Slide heading. Combine imagery with text to create standout campaign sections, eye-catching promotions, information blocks, and more. So Kelly right here set it as 5 stars as well. So yeah, so those are pretty much for the reviews right here from ontaki.com. So yeah, again, if you want to buy scissors right here and check out their products, and if you also want to get special discounts or special promos, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the review for Ontaki. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.